Children, today I will continue next problems. All of you open your textbooks, page number 35. All of you open your textbooks, page number 35. Fifth problem. See fifth one. In a box there were 1499 pencils and in a carton there were 788 pencils. How many pencils were there in all? In a box there were 1499 pencils and in a carton there were 788 pencils. How many pencils were there in all? All means addition. Number of pencils in a box. Number of pencils in a box is equal to how many pencils are there in a box? 1499. And in a carton there were 788 pencils. Number of pencils in a carton means box. Number of pencils in a carton is equal to 788. Now, how many pencils were there in all? Total number of pencils in all. Pencils in all is equal to 1499 plus 788. 1499, 788. Now add this to 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. And 1 plus 1, 2. Total 2287 pencils were there in all. So there are 2287 pencils in all. Number of pencils in a box 1499. Number of pencils in a carton 788. Total number of pencils in all means addition. 1499 plus 788. So the answer is 2287. There are 2287 pencils in all. Right? Next problem is sixth one. The Public Library bought 2947 books from the Delhi Book Fair and 5050 books from the World Book Fair in 2012. How many books in all did the library buy? All means addition. The Public Library bought 2947 books from the Delhi Book Fair and 5050 books from the World Book Fair in 2012. How many books in all did the library buy? Number of books bought bought from the Delhi Book Fair. Number of books bought from the Delhi Book Fair is equal to 2947 and 5050 books from the World Book Fair. Number of books bought from World Book Fair is equal to 5050. So how many books in all did the library buy? Total number of books brought to the library is equal to brought to the library is equal to 2947 plus 5050. 7 plus 0 7, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 0 9, 5 plus 2 7. So 7997. There are 7997 books bought from the library. In all, there are 7997 books. Number of books bought from the Delhi Book Fair is 2947. Number of books bought from the World Book Fair is 5050. So total number of books bought to the library 2947 plus 5050. So total number of books 7997. So in all there are 7997 books in the library. Problem 7th one. In a garden there are 375 roses, 642 marigolds and 142 lilies. How many flowers are there in the garden? In a garden there are 375 roses. Number of roses 375 and number of marigolds 642 and number of lilies 142. So how many flowers are there in the garden? Number of roses number of roses 375. Number of marigolds is equal to 642 and number of lilies is equal to 142. Number of roses 375, number of marigolds 642, number of lilies 142. So how many flowers are there in the garden? Find the total. So total number of flowers in the garden is equal to and this 375 plus 642 plus 142. 375 plus 642 plus 142. Addition symbol is plus. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 7 plus 4 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 4 15. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 1 11. Total 1159 flowers are there in the garden. In all there are 1159 flowers in the garden. Number of roses is equal to 375. Number of marigolds 642. Number of lilies 142. So find the total number of flowers in the garden. Total number of flowers 375 plus 642 plus 142. So total 1159 flowers are there in the garden. 8th one. On Saturday 1475 men, 309 women and 2787 children visited the Science Museum. How many people in all visited the museum on Saturday? On Saturday 1475 men and 309 women and 2787 children visited the Science Museum. How many people in all visited the museum on Saturday? Number of men is equal to number of men equal to 1475. Number of women is equal to 309. And number of children is equal to 2787. Number of men 1475, number of women 309, number of children 2787 visited the museum. Total how many people in all? All means addition. Total number of people visited the museum on Saturday. Total how many people visited the museum on Saturday? 1475 plus 309 plus 2787. Add these three numbers. 1475 plus 309 plus 2787. Addition symbol plus. Now add these numbers. 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 7, 21. 1 and carry over 2. 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8, 17. 7, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. And 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Total 4571 people visited the museum on Saturday. So in all there are 4571 people visited the museum on Saturday. Number of men 1475. Number of women 309. Number of children 2787. So total number of people visited the museum on Saturday. Total means addition. So we have to add these three: 475 plus 309 plus 2787. So total 4571 people visited the museum on Saturday.
Children, complete the given assignment.